See mastery as salvation. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to law number 20. Before this law, 19 laws are already live on this channel, and I will recommend you to check that out because this series is from this beautiful book Robert Greene की लिखी हुई है The Daily Law. If you can buy it and read it, that's great. If you cannot, because of n numbers of reasons, तो भाई जिंदा है. I'll explain each and every chapter day by day. So let's dive into this chapter. The world is teeming full of problems, and be honest with yourself that most of them is your own creation. For example, if I am aware of the fact that doing some steps or something today will change my future, and I'm not doing that now, that means I am creating problem for myself deliberately. See, in this world, I cannot completely rely on my genetics, on technology, or some magic to happen to complete my task. I should be hardworking and should have patience and persistence, because we people are trying to create history. We have some bigger tasks, some big goals, so we cannot rely completely on the magic or technology to happen कि भाई हो जाए और मैं निकल जाऊँ. यहाँ पर हमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी होगी and we need to create history. Actually, what we people are trying to do, we are trying to prove a fact that mastery can be achieved in this modern era too. है ना, सत्य है ना ये. हम यही तो चाह रहे हैं कि भैया जी हम इतनी मेहनत करेंगे कि हमसे बेहतर कोई है नहीं इस वर्ल्ड में, इस फील्ड में. फॉर दैट थिंग व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड? योर हार्ड वर्क, योर परसिस्टेंस. ये जो आपका नेचर की तरफ ग्रैटिट्यूड है, जो आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी है, जो आपका हेल्प है फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली से, इट विल वर्क एज अ कैटलिस्ट थ्रू आउट योर जर्नी, but it will not help you to achieve that goal directly if you yourself is not responsible and not working hard enough. ठीक है. So if you are trying to create history, you should be working कि history में जितनी किसी ने मेहनत ना की हो. So here is the key learning from the book. You must see your attempt at attaining mastery as something extremely necessary and positive. Ladies and gentlemen, I repeat, you must see your attempt at attaining mastery as something extremely necessary and positive. So that is all for this law. I'll catch you in law number 21. We have a Telegram group for aspirants जहाँ पर we people discuss our study material, study time. For accountability, people drop their messages कि भैया जी वो कितना पढ़े, how much productive they were throughout the day. So if you think that is helpful for you, you can join our Telegram group. Or if you want to talk to me personally, the mail ID is given in the description. So go use it. Otherwise comment section खुला ही है. Share your reviews कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है. That is all for today. I'll catch you in next law. तब तक keep studying, keep working hard, stay safe, stay healthy. जय हिंद.